welcome back to Writer Groupie. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what I present to you today, and I also hope that you will think about subscribing. Today is the second part of a tarot box unboxing, and it's the Seers deck, and we're doing another one to complement the one that we did the last time. And I'm gonna try and get all of it in today, but I may not be able to. It may be that I have to have a third video. Boxings and unboxings take a minute. So I hope you'll stay with me and enjoy the video today. Hey everybody. Listen, last time we did the Suit of Wands and the Suit of Swords. This week we're gonna do the Major Arcana and Pentacles and Cups, if I can get through all of them. So sit tight and I'm gonna get started doing that right now. Okay, here we go. King of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles. And he's kind of a laid back, taking it easy in his library with his wolfhound dog, just laid back, having a good time, taking it easy. He's got his arms and hands around his pentacles and he knows where every penny's going. This would be me. Next up, the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. And she seems like she's pretty laid back too. This is an earth suit, you guys. Pentacles is earth sign, like Capricorn energy. And so you expect for her to be very earthy and down to earth, and she is. Hey, you guys, I'm back. This is the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. And the Knight is someone who is taking pentacles and spreading it around. He's not leaving any stone unturned or pentacle unturned, as it were. He's actually doing a very good job here of spreading pentacles around. He's sharing the wealth. And he looks very prosperous, and his horse looks pretty prosperous too. Page of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Look how nice this depiction is of the page. This is somebody bringing us news of money, and look how nice it looks. It's like, here's your money. Don't be too stressed out about it. He seems calm, cool, and collected, doesn't he? And here is the Ten of Pentacles. This is the card we always want to get because it's probably one of the most prosperous cards in the deck. It's having a wealth of love and family and resources and money and finances and just every good thing. So we all want to get the Ten of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles. This is a really pretty card, and this kind of helps us to understand that we always have resources at our fingertips. Sometimes it's given to us, and sometimes it's something that we've actually worked hard and grown. Here she's pulling down a pentacle from her hanging pentacle tree, and don't we all wish we had one of those? I do. I wish I had one of those. Hey everybody, welcome back to Writer Groupie. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what I present to you today, and I also hope that you will think about subscribing. Today is the second part of a tarot box unboxing, and it's the Seers deck, and we're doing another one to complement the one that we did the last time. And I'm gonna try and get all of it in today, but I may not be able to. It may be that I have to have a third video. Boxings and unboxings take a minute. So I hope you'll stay with me and enjoy the video today. Eight of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles. This is where you're really working hard and manifesting the resources and the finances that you have in your life. You're sitting at your desk and you're really working hard to make stuff happen. And the phases of the moon are shining over her, which means that, you know, she might start at the dark moon, but she's going to end up going through the full moon and all the other phases, and she's going to get what she sets out to do because she's working hard. This character in the Seven of Pentacles is someone who is working hard to grow his resources, his money, his finances. He's trying to grow things that are going to fulfill him in life. And he's seeing some greenery. You see some stuff growing here. So he's not unsuccessful at it, but maybe it's just taken a little bit longer than he would have liked for it to have taken. But that's just the way life is sometimes. We have to grow patience as well. The Six of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. To me, this is a card of reciprocity. Yeah, reciprocity. This is a card where we're giving back to others. Sometimes when we have plenty, it's a good idea to sow into someone else's life. Giving back matters, you guys. Don't forget to give back. Five of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. If you've ever seen this in the Rider-Waite, you know that this is a card of destitution. This is a feeling of not having enough and feeling like you've been shut out. Generally, it's a stained glass window in a church hall or doorway. Here, it's not necessarily a church, which takes out the religious aspect of it, and it still feels the same way. Here is someone who is absolutely head bowed and on their knees because they don't feel like they have enough. And haven't we all been there? Four of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles. This is where we are making a solid foundation for ourselves. We've got our pentacles in our purse and we're holding on to it because we know that there's going to be a rainy day coming and we're going to need our pentacles. So we're holding on to our pentacles. We don't want to be miserly though. Don't be that person who holds on to it with both hands and never lets go. Somebody once said it was like squeezing the buffalo till it squealed or something like that. If you know that saying, leave me a comment down below. Three of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. This is where you're working with others to create something for everybody. It's not just for you. It's not necessarily for one person or one other person, but perhaps it's a joint effort. It's a group effort. I always think about this group effort in the Pentacles realm as in it takes more than one person to, create a life these days. Both people have to work in a marriage and, the family unit, everybody pitches in. It's kind of important. The Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles. As you can see, she's almost got it in a shape of the infinity symbol. And that's kind of how I feel when I think about the Two of Pentacles, is we'll have choices in life to make when it comes to our money and our resources. And not necessarily bad ones, not necessarily ones that we can't make, but there's usually a choice to be had. And that's a kind of an important thing to remember, that no matter what choice you make, generally it's going to be okay. The Ace of Pentacles. Don't you love this card? Isn't it beautiful? The Ace symbolizes the pinnacle of pentacles. It's the top of the heap. It's like you have everything in your hands that you could possibly want to create a life for yourself, especially in the finance and resource direction. I believe that this is when we feel very abundant. King of Cups. King of Cups. Cups are all about our emotional body and the way we feel about things. And it looks like he's a pretty sedentary but solitary kind of a guy. But he doesn't look unhappy. He looks like he's got his stuff together and he's kind of dreaming. He's kind of floating along in the dreamland. So I would say he's a happy king. He has a good emotional situation going on. The Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups. She looks like she is in full manifestation mode and she is manifesting a happy life for herself. And we can do that too. The Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups. This looks like something from a Hallmark movie in the romance vein. This is the Knight of Cups and he brings love and flowers and good wishes. And he's riding in on a white horse to save the day. Well, there's a lot of good imagery in this card, you guys. If you can look at the top and see, there's a cup there with a flying pig over the top of it, and it looks like the lower half of his body. And he looks like he's really thinking about when pigs fly. And down here, there's invisible hands passing things around. And so this is a page who's bringing you a lot of emotional news, not necessarily bad news, but I'm not sure he knows what the news is. It's almost like he's pondering, what can I tell them, instead of perhaps something very emotional. Maybe I could tell them something to hold on to, like when pigs fly. The Ten of Cups, the Ten of Cups. You guys, this is the happy family card. This is when everything is going our way. Everything is rainbows and roses. Our family life is good. Our work life is good. Our emotional fortitude is good. Our mental and communication is all good. This is when everything is good and we feel really good about life. The Nine of Cups kind of has that feeling of the Fool. It looks like she's leaping off into the unknown, but she's got so many cups. She's got so much good stuff going on for her. Maybe she's just ready for a change. Maybe she's just ready to give it a go and take off into the wild blue yonder. Well, in this card, I'd like to say she sees the light. Has anybody ever told you to, have you seen the light? Have you seen the other side? I kind of feel like that about this card. She's seen the light and she's turned and going in a different direction. This has to do with her emotional body. Her cup has something in it, so she feels fulfilled. So turning away at this point is a very good idea. Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups. This card looks like a shell game. Looks like our guy's trying to figure out which one of these cups he wants to either turn over or he wants to try and live in. As you can see, there's a river flowing from one, there's a ladder against one, and there's a snake coming out of one. So I would venture to say the Seven of Cups is one for you to really ponder carefully before you make a decision. The Six of Cups. This card just looks like friendship to me, because if you've ever been a small person and had a small puppy and then you grew up with the dog and the dog grew up with you and you ended up being just tremendous friends, that's this card. That's this card. This is all about friendship. This is all about our childhood and that nostalgic feeling. In this card, she just looks tired. She has this big bowl of cups behind her, or whatever that is in there. She has cups scattered out from the hole where she's been getting cups, and there's one still to get, but she just doesn't look like she's got the energy to even dig in there and get it. So this may be when our emotional body is just kind of running short of energy. The Four of Cups, the Four of Cups. This one is the one that you usually see in the Rider-Waite, where the universe is handing the fella a cup and he's got his arms crossed and he's kind of looking around like, I might not want to do that. I kind of get the same feeling from this card. She's got a cup that she could take advantage of. It's there and it's got stuff coming out of it, good energy, bad energy, maybe all kinds of energy, and she just can't decide what she wants to do about it. Three of Cups. This is a celebratory card, you guys. This is where it's usually the three ladies dancing around the maypole, but this is three ladies who are hugging each other and walking toward the future together, and you see the Big Dipper in the sky overhead, and they're just feeling so good with life that it's a celebratory type of card. The Two of Cups. The Two of Cups. This is very much a relationship card. This might be a friendship. This could be a work relationship. This could be a romantic relationship. But it's definitely all about pulling together with someone else to fill up the cups and make life an emotional journey that's very fulfilling. Well, what can we say about the Ace of Cups? I believe I've said it before. The Ace of Cups is like the Holy Grail. This is what King Arthur and his men set out to find. The Knights Templar were looking for this Holy Grail, the thing that holds all the answers in the universe. And this card means you have it. You guys, I guess I'm going to stop it right here because my battery is about to die. I didn't even think about my battery being charged before I started this video. Bad me, so sorry. But I will do the rest of the deck in another video, and it looks to me like we are already to the major arcana, so it might be a little bit of a shorter video. So y'all look for that next time on Rider